yet another unboxing here at Carson Gray Hardy with my friend Ta. Just 2 letters, that's all you need to know him by. He's mysterious. You want to know this man. He's gonna do big things. But anyway, we're hopping right in. All right. Welcome, guys, to the review of the
FiFine
K037B. I hope that was not too loud. Yeah, I'm killing your ears. What you think of my new setup, guys? Pretty clean, right? Let's get this started. Okay, I don't want to be that comfortable.
All right, Mr. Hardy.
Yes.
Do you love the FiFine K037B?
Behind the scenes, I could see myself using this. For sure, just because I'm always on the go, on the go, on the go. Let's get into the real review, guys. All right, anyway, we're gonna do some real estate photography to show an indoor use. I have some music playing over there. Hopefully, if it's doing a good job on isolation, you shouldn't be able to hear it. But anyway, we're gonna hop in on my photography process for real estate. And the glamours of being a real estate photographer. It's a great life, guys. You should try it. A swivel mount left by one of the old roommates. It's a good selling factor. So he already took down one of these, so the question is, do I want to take down the other? And that is yes, because you want the room to look as sell ready as possible. You don't want someone to comment down and be like, yo, am I getting those curtains? Heck no, you're not getting those curtains. I don't supply that. Now,
FiFine.
I know what you're thinking. Is this a joke? No, this is reality. This is the luxuries. If you like cleaning, this is the job for you. If you like taking pictures, again, this is the job for you. I feel like the room's gonna look larger if I put the bed this way. What do you think? Yeah, these need it. Shooting a $5 home or a $5 million home. Make sure those windows are nice and shiny. Okay, so just got done cleaning all the floors, wiping down, did a little bit of rearranging just to make the room look overall better in my sense. But just gotta finish this up and let's take those pictures. You get a tripod that you can easily do this, but I like to adjust the middle column to whatever is level. Okay guys, and just like that, we are done with the interiors. If you want to see any behind the scenes on how I edit these, comment down below. I'll make that in a separate video. But we were just testing off the movement that we can do with this lapel microphone. I think it's pretty good. What do you think, CJ? He's digging it. So let's go outside and test distance. Oh! Oh! Good thing my fidget spinner didn't fall out. Oh! Can you hear me now? Okay, so what would you say that was? 20 feet? Oh, hello. Wow. 13, 14. We've got approximately 14 unicycles that you can use this lapel mic on. Now, this thing is about 2.5 feet. So if I'm doing my math right, we're getting just over about 30 feet, which I would say is fairly decent for $35. That was the distance review.
The build quality. How do you feel about the build quality of this device? From the transmitter to the receiver to the
extra antenna?
Yeah, the extra antenna and the headset.
Right, so this headset I would never use. I'm gonna be honest, I think it looks a bit overdone. I can see if you're a speaker at an event, this could be pretty useful. Although I will just be using the standard lapel, which I mean most people would be using. It's Got pretty good build quality, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I would say it's a solid build quality for 35 bucks. Overall, I think it could last me a year, if not two. Do I like it? Yes. Will I be using it? Possibly. Okay, so maybe for personal use, but for professional use, it's too much of a dangle. I could throw it on a gimbal. Like I said though, I'm gonna have to, do something with all that dangliness. So, I mean, you can simply use gaffer's tape. It's a filmmaker's best friend. There is a quick little tutorial that shows you how to rip gaffer's tape the right way on Film Riot. So check that out, guys. Great content. Overall, I think it's a great product, and I mean, it does the job for $35. Boom!